Introducing the H-Series LED downlighting system, featuring an easy-to-install, lightweight housing with integrated Romex and half-inch wiring knockouts, a plug-and-play LED module, and an assortment of the following custom trims to fit your needs. The round trim, providing reduced glare and a versatile solution from kitchen to bedroom. Flush provides a wide beam angle, ideal for showers, closets, hallways, and pantries. The square, for a sleek, modern home aesthetic. And finally, the adjustable trim, perfect for slope ceilings and highlighting architecture and other unique home features. This video will walk you through the installation of our new construction options, the bar hanger and wood screw housings. We'll begin with the bar hanger model. As always, for all installations, make sure all power to the luminaire is off. Locate the AC pigtail. Locate the fixture position. Install the bar hanger ends into the joists by nailing in the 4 factory installed nails at the end of the bar hangers. Adjust the horizontal position of the housing by sliding it along the bar hangers. Locate the center according to the fixture location. Lock horizontal positioning by fastening both the factory installed bar hanger screws. Route the electrical wires through the wiring compartment using the integrated Romex tabs or half-inch knockouts. Connect the included hardwire adapter, also known as the pigtail, to the housing electrical leads. For specialty installations, the bar hangers can be adjusted to fit into a smaller space. Locate the guide lines on the bar hanger. Snap the bar hanger along the guidelines and thread the shortened ends back into place. Next is the wood screw housing. Again, making sure all power to the luminaire is off, locate the AC pigtail, and locate the fixture position. Align the housing to the bottom of the joist using the alignment tabs. Install both the factory installed wood screws into the joist. Route the electrical wires through the wiring compartment using the integrated Romex tabs or half-inch knockouts. Connect the included hardwire adapter to the housing electrical leads. Mark the center fixture position on the drywall. For all 4-inch H-Series housings, cut a 4.5-inch or 114mm opening. For all 3-inch housings, cut a 3.5-inch or 89mm opening. Start at the center point marked on the drywall. Cut a straight line to the edge of the housing. Stop cutting, jump to the outside edge of the housing, and follow it all the way around. Module installation is the same for all H-Series housings. Align the trim onto the module and push the trim until the tension clips snap into place. Attach the module ground wire to the building ground per national and local electrical code. Connect the module power connector. Place the module into the housing. Press the trim to the ceiling and rotate 1/4 turn to fully seat the trim. Thanks for watching.